So Messi, and really stands and can only admire, rooted to the spot, and Barcelona are surely going to extend their unbeaten La Liga record to 26 games, the only unbeaten side in the top 5 European leagues. And Valverde's side had to come from 2-0 down tonight and are about to bury their league hoodoo at the Anoeta, where they've not won since May 2007.
We have to give them so much credit. Messi just floats into the top corner. Not altogether sure why Geronimo really doesn't make any attempt. It might have been futile. The ball goes over the wall. It's not the most powerful attempt from Lionel Messi. It's precise, of course. Geronimo really says to his wall he couldn't see it. By the time he does, it's floating in towards the top corner.